Ever feel like cooking is more of a guessing game than an art? Too many spices, not enough flavor? What if you could turn every meal into something amazing without stressing over complicated recipes? Meet SPICERR, the smart spice mixer that turns any cook into a chef. It's simple, it's fun, and it makes your food taste incredible. Here's how it works. SPICERR uses pre-measured, mess-free spice pods designed by professional chefs. Just pop in the pod for whatever dish you're making, like tacos, pasta, or curry, and let SPICERR do the rest. With one twist of the dial, SPICERR blends the perfect amount of spices for your recipe. No more guesswork, no more bland meals. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or friends, SPICERR helps you create restaurant-quality dishes in minutes. And cleanup? Forget about it, just toss the pod when you're done. Easy peasy. SPICERR isn't just for one type of cuisine, it's versatile. From Mexican fiestas to cozy Italian nights, there's a pod for every flavor profile. Plus, all our spices are fresh, organic, and sustainably sourced. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you. Right now, Kickstarter backers can get SPICERR at a special price, up to 30% off retail. But this deal won't last long. Once we hit our funding goal, these discounts disappear. When you back SPICERR today, you'll also get access to exclusive rewards like bonus spice pods and recipe guides. This is your chance to take your cooking to the next level. Don't wait to become the chef you've always wanted to be. Back SPICERR now and start creating meals everyone will love. Visit the link below to learn more and join the kitchen revolution.